Finishing operations are a crucial part of the manufacturing process, as they involve the final touches that give a product its desired appearance and functionality. These operations can include painting, coating, polishing, and other surface treatments that enhance the product's durability, corrosion resistance, and aesthetic appeal. Finishing operations are performed after the product has been fabricated, assembled, and tested, and they require specialized equipment, skilled labor, and strict quality control measures to ensure that the finished product meets the customer's specifications and standards. In the manufacturing industry, finishing operations are often outsourced to specialized service providers that have the expertise and resources to perform these tasks efficiently and cost-effectively. These providers may offer a range of finishing services, such as powder coating, electroplating, anodizing, and sandblasting, depending on the type of product and the customer's requirements. They may also provide value-added services, such as packaging, labeling, and shipping, to streamline the supply chain and reduce lead times. Berkness Company is a leading manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal products for a wide range of industries, including aerospace, defense, medical, and automotive. The company has a state-of-the-art facility in Minneapolis, Minnesota, where it employs a team of skilled engineers, technicians, and craftsmen who use the latest technology and techniques to deliver high-quality products that meet or exceed customer expectations. Berkness Company understands the importance of finishing operations in the manufacturing process and has invested in advanced equipment and processes to provide a comprehensive range of finishing services to its customers. The company's finishing capabilities include powder coating, wet painting, silk screening, and pad printing, among others, and it has a dedicated team of finishing experts who ensure that every product meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced manufacturing company that can provide you with top-quality products and services, look no further than Berkness Company. The company's commitment to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction is reflected in everything it does, from product design and development to finishing and delivery. To learn more about Berkness Company's finishing operations and other services, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website and fill out the online form. A representative will be in touch with you shortly to discuss your needs and provide you with a customized solution that meets your requirements and budget. FAQs. 1. What are finishing operations in manufacturing? Finishing operations refer to the final steps in the manufacturing process that are undertaken to improve the appearance, durability, and functionality of a product. These operations can include surface treatments, coatings, polishing, and other techniques that enhance the product's quality and performance. 2. Why are finishing operations important in manufacturing? Finishing operations are critical in manufacturing because they can significantly impact the product's overall quality and value. By improving the product's appearance and durability, finishing operations can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, reduce product returns and warranty claims, and enhance the product's marketability and profitability. 3. What are some common finishing operations used in manufacturing? Some common finishing operations used in manufacturing include painting, plating, anodizing, powder coating, electroplating, and polishing. These operations can be applied to a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, ceramics, and composites, and can be customized to meet specific product requirements and customer preferences. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.